Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 73 practice set. I'll make a different video for Lesson 73 starred problems. So let's go ahead and move forward. So Lesson 73, we're going to be multiplying and dividing integers, positive and negative integers. So the rules for multiplication and division, you're going to want to write this down somewhere. The rules are, if they are the same sign, the answer is positive. And if they are different signs, the answer is negative. Now keep in mind, we have rules for addition. The rules for addition are if they are the same sign, you add and keep. And if they are different signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the larger. Okay, we are not adding, and we also have rules for subtraction. Hopefully you have these in your spiral somewhere, and if you need to pause this and write it down, you can. But today, we are focusing on multiplication and division, okay? So like here, I have -7 times a +3. They're different signs, so the answer is going to be -21, okay? A positive and a negative, 4 times 8 is 32. They're opposite signs, so it's -32. We have a positive and a positive, 8 times 5, so that's a +40. And then we have a negative and a negative. If they're the same sign, the answer is positive. So 8 times 3 is 24. That's a +24, even though they're both negative. Okay, let's do some division. So here I have a +25 divided by a -5. That's different signs, so my answer is going to be -5. Here I have a -27 divided by a -3. That gives me a +9. Here I have a -28 divided by a +4, -7. Positive divided by a positive. Positive divided by a negative. 15. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. I wonder if we have some more. Yep, we sure do. Awesome. So here I have a negative times a positive, so that's going to give me a negative. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. And that's my answer. Here I have a negative divided by a positive, so I know it's going to be a negative. So let me use my calculator. Hold on just a second. So I have 1.2 divided by 0.3. That gives me a -4. And here I have a negative times a negative, so same sign equals a positive. I think it's a 2.4. Okay. M says sketch a number line to show this multiplication. Now, in your IXLs, you've been using a number line. I'm not a huge fan, but if you are, you're welcome to do that. What I'd rather do is I'm more of a fan of rules that don't change. So here I have a +3 times a -2. They're different signs, so that's going to be a -6. And this says write 2 division facts illustrated by this number line. So you could say, I honestly don't, -8 divided by a -4 is going to be a +2. -4 divided by a -4 is a +1. I'm not really sure what they want me to put there. So, okay, and these are starred problems, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here. If you have any questions about these, let me know. Again, make sure you write these rules down somewhere, and have a great day.